Hello friends, I'm Parvez, and this is our fifth video in Python data manipulating or Python data science. In the last video we have covered Numpy array slicing for one-dimensional array. In this video we are going to cover multi-dimensional array slicing in Numpy. Okay, now we are going to make a new Python file in our PyCharm IDE. I call it multi-slicing. I'm going to import numpy as in p. After that, I'm going to make numpy array random randed int. It should be 10 size and 10, and the dimension size of dimension should be 3 by 4. If I print example and if I run this, you will see that we have a multi-dimensional array. Okay. Now if you want to access 2 rows and 2 columns of this array, you can simply write print example and give it for example, I want to 2 and 2. Now if I run this, you can see that we have the first two numbers, the first two numbers of row and column. You can see that we have the first two, is 4 6 and another one is 4 0. If you want to, for example, access 3 rows and 2 columns of the number, you can simply write print example 2 and 3. If I run this, you can see that we have the first two and the first two 3 rows and 2 columns like this. Let me comment this example. It makes me confused. Yeah, now you can see that this is our original array and this is our sliced array. Now if you want to access the reverse, for this you can simply, let me comment this, you can simply write print example -1 and -1. Now if I run this, you can see that we have a number in reverse, 296 and 280, like this. Let me comment this. After that, if you want to access rows or columns, you want to access first row or complete row and column, complete first row or complete first column, for this you can simply write print 0 0, sorry, example and 0. Now if I run this, you can see that we have the 0, this is our original, and we have the first column in here. This is the first column, 0 5 3. Now if I run this again, because we are going, it is a random int, it will change. Yeah, now we have the column, this column 4 6 9 4 6 9. like this. Now if you want to access the row, the first row, for this you can simply write, let me comment this, print example 0. Now if I run this, you can see that we have access to the first row, 6617, and if I run this again, you can see that we have 0514. If you change this to 1, it should be the second row. Yeah, you can see 0316. If I change this to 2, it should be the third row. Yeah, like this. You can see that it's now the third row. Okay, thank you guys. This was our fifth video. If you have any question, please let me know. And for the further videos, please like and also subscribe the channel.